What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay. So I got a wireless microphone. I was offered to review this wireless microphone. I decided to go ahead and do it, man. This is by TONOR. It is a UHF wireless microphone, so this will be good for karaoke. It's Bluetooth, and it's got a quarter output, so I might have to take this downstairs to the big box so I can plug it in and show you how it sounds. But let's pop it open here. All right, this is a full size. This is the karaoke joint. This is something for karaoke. If there's an adapter in here, I'll test it right up here for you. Oh, it's crazy. This is the charging port, and this is the battery inside of here. It says you can get up to 8 hours with this battery right here. And I don't think there's an adapter, so I might have to take it downstairs. Yeah, no adapter, so I'll have to take it downstairs. I got some adapters somewhere around here, though. I don't know where they are. They got a little lanyard on there. All right, so this goes in here like this. And then you want to plug it into the your part downstairs. All right, so it's already looking for, I'll turn it off real quick, but this is how you charge it. And it's obviously a rechargeable battery, and you plug it on, turn it on here, and then here is the full-size microphone. There are some instructions. I will take it downstairs and get it all set up. But here it is. So I'm gonna definitely read the instructions before the next part of this video fires up. But here it is, man. I'll get this fired up downstairs, and I'll show you how to get this done. So it looks like I need some AAA batteries. Yeah, so I'll get some AAA batteries in here, and then we're gonna be on our way. So keep watching. All right, folks, as you can see, I have the microphone fired up. This is a fantastic microphone, I can already tell. I do have it hooked to a very powerful speaker, but at the same time, if you wanted to use this for podcasts and things like that, you very well could. It's leaned more towards karaoke or whatever, but I personally think that I need to get my adapter out because I think I really like this microphone. So if I was going to do a podcast or something like that, or an interview, I could do it with this microphone. So it's a quick sample, quick video test of the TONOR wireless microphone. And my apologies at the beginning of the video. I said that it took AAA. It is actually AA. Pairing it was super easy. As soon as I powered it on and powered on the microphone, it grabbed channel 1. There's 10 channels, and you can just pick whichever one you want to switch to if you want to. If you want to set a different channel on the remote here. On the front, there's set and power. So if you decide to pick up this microphone, it's fairly affordable. Some people like to hold a microphone like this when doing an interview, but all this audio that you hear is coming from this particular microphone. And again, it is coming through a very powerful speaker, 550 watt speaker. So that is something that you need to take into consideration if you're watching this and you're wondering why it sounds so good or why it sounds so great. So that is the reason why. But it's your man Jay. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.